Full face of Poundland makeup. The grand total was 21 quid. Could be about to singe my whole fucking face off, but also I got one of these absolutely repulsive aloe vera chunk drinks. Smells like poo. Do not recommend. Genuinely do not know how this one's gonna go. So there was actually, from what I could work out, 2 brands basically, and that's the Makeup Gallery range. Oh, the other one's called Makeup Gallery X or Makeup X Gallery. It must be like, you know how Revolution have Revolution or Revolution Pro or whatever it's called. Videos, you know me by now. We're gonna do a face mask first. Lavender and rosemary spray fragrance. I firm a fucking fat can, do you know what I'm saying? Oils to help enhance your well-being. Well, it's fucking better because my well-being is under serious attack at the moment. It was so slimy. Like my pussy. Face mask was £1, by the way. This is £3. It's Showtime 2-in-1 Prime and Fix Spray. This... Sorry if I've got a bit of cream egg in my throat. So this claims to be a priming spray. On the back it says you can use it before makeup to act as a primer or to use afterwards to set your makeup. Don't really understand, baby girl. I found these. I'm not a fan of beauty blenders full stop, I'm not gonna lie. I like to use brushes to put makeup on with. Not my vibe in the first place. We're gonna see what they're like. Not incredibly hard, I'm not gonna lie. BRB, we're gonna wet it and see if it actually grows. Can you see the squidge on that? That's not a bad sponge at all. I had a choice between 2 foundations. Shades, however, were like diabolical. Anyone with like a drop of fake tan or an ounce of melanin is fucking screwed. Unless you're planning on cosplaying the men from White Chicks, I'm not even kidding you. There was no testers. There was no testers at all, so I've literally had to go by this and be like, that's me. Okay, well that's one half of my face. There really ain't nothing there, I'm not gonna lie. Like they're really, I'll do the other side and I'll show you, but look, I'm actually gonna finish it with a brush. Okay, it's not the strongest start, I'm not gonna lie. And do you see sort of around my nose here? I don't know if you can pick up on that. It's just not the texture that my nose normally has. But we're gonna try and save this. The darkest shade is this one that I got and it's olive. Super size liquid concealer. £3 this one is. Guys, the foundation's absolutely awful. It's like crumbling off my skin. This is the weirdest thing ever. Look at it, it's all just like balling. I've never had that from a foundation, it's all just balling off. But I've done what I can in like flicking all of the bally bits of this off. Concealer in the shade Almond as well. Oh my god, I don't think it's going to be very good. Quite watery. It does, mate, but I refuse to use one of those sponges again. And do what I did in my last video and almost dry this into place while I just sort of like fade out the outside of it. I think the concealer might have just saved the day a little bit. That fucking foundation. Would recommend. It's 3 quid. It's decent. There are better out there, but it's decent. Blush. Blush was pretty much impossible to get in Poundland. They didn't have a single blush. So I got the closest thing, and you're probably going to be horrified, but I've used something like this before in the past and it's worked. Number 6, Sassy. Thinking we're going to go for that sort of sunburn look, and I love that. I just bring this as close to my under eye as I can, otherwise you get that like, looks like you've been wearing like sunbed glasses, do you know what I mean? And this one's £2. The only powders that they had were these Makeup Gallery ones. This was in the shade Translucent. This was just £1, so if this is any good, then holy shit. Packet of 5 powder puffs. They come with the little thing to finger on the back. Gonna do like the sides of my nose as well. Then I'm gonna take it onto my forehead and just dust that away and hope for the fucking best. Oh shit, that's like different skin. £1, guys. Smoothly does it, press powder. I'm gonna go in quick because I feel like I look a bit washed out. And with what we used for the cream blush, like tapping across my lip as well to give me like a lip tint, that's really fucking hard to talk. It's the same as like the translucent powder we used, but this is the matte bronzer. And this was only £1 as well, so let's hope this is good as well. Like focus on the tip of my nose as well, because I like it to turn up and look like a little bollock on the end of my nose. But what's left on this brush, I'm just gonna like swirl it on the outside of my eyelid. Gonna blend that out on my nose. Yeah, no, the colour's great. And then we're just gonna press it into the temples again. Also gonna follow some of that on my cheekbones, what are these called? These bony things on your neck. I'm gonna like, no, it's just that the colour is constantly like literally the same as your face. Just gonna sort of make this face and go. Okay, for me, brows and facial hair, brown to dark brown mascaras are actually the best. So this is the Turn Up the Volume and Define mascara, brown black, because, what's right there? That's just black. Oh no, well this could be a massive mistake then. It's just to define and bring back the life to all the hair on my fucking face. The brown black mascara is £1. I've totally fucked it. I picked up black instead of dark brown for the brow definer. Look how thin that is. This was £2 and we're gonna try it anyway because I don't want to flake, but black's not gonna work for me today. I just like jot them off in all different directions. And then on these ones, I like to just toss them all off. Guys, it is doing the damn thing. I'm gonna do my usual and blot a bit of coconut oil onto my cheeks for a highlight. Best highlight you will actually ever have. Down the rhinoplasty. And then a quick spritz of this priming setting spray. You're gonna have to let me know what you think down in the comments. I think the foundation just really threw me off.